Workers are vulnerable to injury when they're exposed to hazards and have no adequate protections in place. In order for employers to develop effective prevention strategies, they must understand which factors put employees at an increased risk.
Vulnerability is something which a lot of people talk about, and we try and reduce vulnerability, but we have really not a good sense of what it means to be vulnerable or who vulnerable workers are. So we tend to use terms like young workers or new workers to describe vulnerability, but that doesn't really give us a mechanism to measure changes in vulnerability over time or to evaluate how effective our prevention efforts are.
3 key protections employers should be aware of are having clear policies and procedures in place, encouraging occupational health and safety awareness among the workforce, and ensuring workers' empowerment to participate in injury prevention.
Different types of workers are exposed to different types of vulnerability. So, for example, workers in small businesses are mainly exposed to policy and procedural vulnerability, but actually aren't that different to employees from large workplaces in relation to awareness or in relation to empowerment. If your employees say they're not aware of the policy and procedures or they don't have the policy and procedures, well, that's a different type of intervention you might do for those employees. Whereas if workers are not, if they feel afraid to speak up or they don't feel comfortable speaking up, well, you do something completely different. Sometimes systems are in place, but they're just not being filtered through effectively. And so by surveying your workers, you can get a better sense of whether the workers are aware of the systems that you've put in place.
The Institute for Work and Health created a 29-question survey to help identify gaps in prevention strategies and direct employers to relevant resources. The questionnaire is available at iwh.on.ca. For Canadian Occupational Safety, I'm Amanda Siliker.